Alright, now there goes my uncle in the combine. I just filled this load up here. I've got it pretty much full. Here comes my dad with the tractor and bush hog. This is back here. There's the fall pasture, everything, and crap, train of thought. Yeah, this is that little that field. I was bush hogging there when it got dry back in June. I was bush hogging right there. So now we're back here in this cornfield, and my uncle thinks that it's probably 130, 135 BPA, bushels per acre, and which we hoped it to be a little bit better, but nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. And there he goes. He just missed a lot of stalks right there. Oh, I see what he's doing. So yeah, we are heading out of the field. We got the 4455 running with the other red easy trail. There's two DMI wagons sitting down there in the bottom of the field. Sorry, I gotta pay attention. There's a freaking ditch right there. Okay, we're good. So yeah, I will meet y'all at the grain bins.